going on a picnic. Where to? Love the weather today. Feels like a perfect spring day. I'm already sweating. 4 more miles?
No, 4 to get it. 4 is coming back.
We just did 4 miles to get to the viewpoint we're trying to get to, and 4 miles coming back. So that's 8 miles total that we walked today. We have made it to the viewpoint. So beautiful. I really appreciate these type of views because they make you reflect on how small you really are to the rest of this beautiful earth, and I love it here. These are my favorite kind of hikes, type of hikes that are uphill and not that hard to do. I really enjoy these type of hikes. Now we're just gonna have a little snack at these picnic tables. We're gonna have a little snack, and then we're gonna have to go back down for 4 more miles. question. Do you guys prefer iced or hot coffee? Because I like my coffee iced when it's hot, but he still likes it hot when it's hot. So
I always hot.
I'm gonna be sketching for a little while. I just got done cleaning my apartment. I'm drinking a little sake. It's a Japanese alcohol. I love how it's so subtle yet creamy and refreshing at the same time. I love it. I've been thinking. I've loved painting since I was a little girl. I enjoyed drawing, painting, anything to do with art was my thing, my specialty. And my whole life I've tried to include the practice, my art practice. I have to say 2019 through 2020 were like one of my biggest art years. I did a lot of work. Unfortunately, I have no idea where that work went because I used to live with my parents. Obviously, I don't anymore. I don't know what happened to all of my things that were personal. I don't know if they still have them, or I don't know, maybe they're somewhere there. But those were like my big art years where I was doing it like as a daily practice. Also, 2023 when I moved to Florida, I was in such a creative mode. I bought an easel, I bought my first oil paints and my sketchbook. I had a daily practice going on as well, and I really enjoyed those times. After coming back to California, we moved to Orange County and we lasted a whole year in Orange County, and that whole year, I'd say if I could do like a recap of the whole year we lived there, I'd say it was more of a work year, like an actual 9 to 5. I worked a lot. I worked 5 days a week, weekends off, but we'd use those days with my husband to go out, have time for each other. So I didn't really, my art practice wasn't really there. But now that we moved into our new apartment, I'm feeling way more creative. And you want to see what I got? I got an easel. I sold my other easel in Florida. I sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and I found this one in Facebook Marketplace as well. Oh my god, I'm in love. I don't know if this is like a sign from God. I feel like it is, but I feel called to make art again, to reconnect with that artistic side that I've paused for a while. I'm so excited to buy new art supplies, new materials I need. Also, I had like a wake-up call suddenly. I've heard a lot of people go on artist residencies, and that's something that I'm really drawn to. Once in my life, I want to experience going to an artist residency. I feel like mostly Spain or France or even Mexico. I'm so called to have a curated space to create art. I feel like that's really important for an artist. I have it on my mind. I don't know how to bring it to life, that idea, but I'm excited to be working on something I love, which is art. Exploring new mediums, new techniques. I'm always looking to learn new things. So this summer is gonna be dedicated to an art summer. So I'm stoked, but this week we're gonna be going to the beach, which I'm excited about. We're gonna have a picnic. I don't know if we should go to La Jolla Beach or Laguna Beach. I love Laguna Beach. It's one of my favorite beaches here in California. It's just so beautiful. I don't think it's even Laguna anymore. It's in Corona del Mar. And that's our favorite spot. The water is so crystal clear and the sun just hits right. It's like in a little cave. You go down the stairs around all that. Like, it's such a cute beach town. So I don't know if we should go there or to San Diego. We've been going to San Diego a lot these past couple weeks, just exploring. We really love San Diego. The reason I want to go to San Diego as well is to try this coffee shop I've been having an eye on. It's called Provecho Coffee. I've been wanting to go, but I don't know if we should do it this week or next week. We'll see.